I'm happy.
Ah, that's all good.
Really?
I was gonna say, I was wondering why you quit. I thought you were going great.
Yeah, well,
He's all believed it though, right?
no, I didn't believe it at all.
Law, it was he tried to sell it. He came in and asked me why Diz had left. Yet I'd already asked him the same question, and he said, yeah.
Oh, that's funny. I heard otherwise, but we'll go in that in another day.
Well, what did I say to you when I went in there, Diz, and seen you in that channel?
Yeah, I know, but I'm just saying I've been told and heard otherwise. I also have proof. So I'll just give you the heads up.
What do you mean? I just said, I meaning like, I didn't, I thought you were under cover the whole time. That's
No,
what I was meaning.
I have proof that you knew.
I knew
Yeah.
that you were undercover.
This.
But like I
did.
said, I don't want to go into
Don't worry
that.
about it.
We'll go into it probably tomorrow.
I honestly did not know at all.
That's all right.
I presumed, I didn't know.
Yeah, I know, but like I said, I have proof, so we'll go into it tomorrow.
Yeah, that's fine. Don't see the problem at all. I just thought, I presumed
Thanks,
you were
welcome
undercover,
back
but I
anyway.
wasn't sure.
Cheers, Waffles.
Alright.
Alright, boys.
Easy.